What are you doing today, Jack?
We're digging a deep, deep hole.
Digging a deep, deep hole, and do we have a lot of trucks?
Yeah, so we can dig all the time.
Let's do it. Molly Mae, what do you think? You don't think anything. Whoa, how did this excavator get stuck in this hole? Jack, look what's coming to help.
No, you can't demolition that ramp.
I'm not demolitioning anything.
Look at this ramp.
It's pretty cool, Jack.
Let's raise this truck up.
Okay, it's going up the ramp. Whoa, that scared me. Wow. What is Mr. Front Loader doing? He's stuck. Check out the stabilizer. And the other one. I suppose we should look at this big guy.
So I can make a path.
That's what you're doing? You're trying to make a big scoop? Look at that scoop. Wow, that was mighty.
Oh, I touched it.
Whoa, dude. Epic scoop. Dump it.
Big dump. Dirty.
Oh, you did that one so fast. Mighty scoop again.
I have to get a big. I'm digging inside it, and you are digging it outside it. Getting taller.
Here comes my scoop.
We'll be back in a minute because he's full. It's heavy. It's heavy. It's very heavy.
What are you going to do with it?
Dump it!
Dump it. Wow.
Whoa, it wound super fast. Wound super fast. Wow.
Yep. Jack, what is this thing? Are you gonna smash? Oh, you're gonna smash with a bulldozer, but you got it first. wasn't very nice. Well, thanks guys for watching Jack Jack Plays. Jack had a little bit of a meltdown here, so he's not gonna say goodbye to you guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.